Now that we got all our trout covered and mixed in to the sauce, we're actually going to wait on using the salt and pepper on top till before we start smoking, because it's a bit salty already. So we have our dehydrator set at 160 right now for 5 hours. So next step is to get some grill spray and layer that a little bit on the rack. And we also decided, you know, with the soy sauce and everything, it's salty enough. So we're gonna put just the littlest amount of pepper on each fillet.
Perfect.
All right, I don't have my apron on right now, but it's been 4 hours since we put the trout in the dehydrator, and let's check it out. Oh my, look at that.
That looks good.
That does look good.
Let's see, I'm gonna zoom on that.
Just falls right off the skin.
Mm-hmm. How's it taste?
It's so sweet, it's like candy.
Nice.
It's amazing. Hey everybody, it's Clayton. So, me and my dad just said, see you in our next adventure, but we were thinking, since we just caught the trout yesterday, that this should be our next adventure. So we're gonna give you guys our recipe on Sweet Teriyaki Smoked Trout. So, first things first, we gotta get our marinade. So, we're gonna use about a cup of soy sauce, going straight into the pan. Next, about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
Say that again?
No.
Every time.
That's good. Next, one little, I don't know, 8 ounce?
6, I think.
6 ounce can of pineapple juice, not sauce.
It's gonna make it sweet. Old family recipe, right?
Mm-hmm. Next, about a cup of brown sugar, right?
It's about half a cup, I think, but yeah, we're just kind of guessing here. Nothing's set in stone.
Nope. And you just gotta mix this up a little bit. So, we'll get back to you guys when this is all mixed in. Now that we got no more chunks of that brown sugar and it's all mixed in, next, get 2 fresh lemons and cut them up in half and put them in. 1 and 2. We should be using a squeezer.
Just squeeze it in there. This is hillbilly stuff.
It's mountain. This is the mountain recipe.
We're in Northern California mountains. Just toss them into the disposal. Make it smell nice.
These lemons are tough.
Yeah, they're off our tree.
Make sure you wash your hands before this recipe.
Yes.
Just so you know.
That's good. We'll just save the other one. So now you gotta do what? Put some seasoning in?
Oh, just save the other one? Okay.
Yeah, just save it.
Alright, yeah. Seasoning next.
Okay.
We got a little bit of onion powder.
Okay.
Do just a nice even coat around the top.
There you go.
That's good. Next, garlic powder. Same thing with the onion powder, nice even coat around the top.
Yep.
Okay. And now pepper, thrown in.
We might put a little of that on top at the end too before we cook it.
Yeah.
Make it a sweet pepper jerky.
Jerky?
Trout jerky.
Trout jerky, yep. Mix that around a little bit. And now our salt is going to go on top of the fish.
Okay, let's do that.
So we get our nicely cut trout that my dad did.
Chunked it into manageable pieces. And how do we put it in?
Skin side up.
Down.
So, skin side down.
It's all good. Look at these little pieces of trout. Because these trout weren't very big, but they're mountain trout, rainbow trout from Bear River Reservoir. And we got 10 of them, so we got a whole bunch of them.
But they taste good.
They're going to be tasty. We'll get back to this.
Now that we got all our trout covered and mixed in to the sauce, we're actually going to wait on using the salt and pepper on top till before we start smoking, because it's a bit salty already. So now we got to get plastic wrap and cover. Plastic wrap is not the...
You got to be smarter than a piece of plastic.
Well, Apparently I'm not smarter than
That stuff's a pain in the butt. I don't know.
Alright.
Into the fridge.
Into the fridge for 2 hours. We gotta let it marinate.
There's Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Very interested in this trout situation.
Can we get a hi Roxy in the comment section?
Yeah, what's a little hi, Roxy? She wants to see that trout. She don't care about nothing.
Okay. See you guys in a couple of hours. So after about 2 hours of letting them sit in the fridge in the marinade, they're all ready to go. So we're gonna place each one on the paper and we gotta pat them out.
Get them dry.
Get them dry, okay. They look good already.
Oh man, I can smell it from here. That looks good. Okay, we'll get back to this after we get them all dried up and then head out to the garage where the dehydrator is, and Clayton's going to show you guys what we do next.
Alright, so now that we layered the fish, put the paper on and pat it dry. Not dry, but you know, get the excess out. Now that all that is set, gotta bring this to the garage where the dehydrator is, and that's how we're gonna smoke these trout. So let's go. You wanna come, Rox?
Roxy wants to come too. She smells that trout. She wants to go.
So we have our dehydrator set at 160 right now for 5 hours. So next step is to get some grill spray and layer that a little bit on the rack. And we also decided, you know, with the soy sauce and everything, it's salty enough. So we're gonna put just the littlest amount of pepper on each fillet.
Perfect.
So we'll get back to you guys as soon as I space all these out. So now that we got all the fish separated and everything, time to hit
looks
it.
good. Yo.
Hit it with a little black pepper.
You already did the one rack, right?
I already did the
first rack.
Just like a little bit on each fillet. Don't want to overpower it with pepper.
It's already like candy, huh? It's super sweet with
it's
pineapple,
so sweet.
brown sugar, soy sauce, lemon, all kinds of yum. Worcestershire. Looking good.
Alright.
What do we got? We got 5 hours set at about 160.
The very top rack.
I wouldn't do the very top. I'd split them up in the middle. Just to give yourself some room, yeah, maybe one more down. Yeah, and then put one more, like 3 below that. We're kind of testing with this dehydrator too. It's new. What did we do? We did a salmon video with this though once.
We did?
At the mountain house.
You guys remember the salmon video?
Yeah, we got lots of people looking at that one. Hit the light. Let's take a peek inside.
Hit the light up.
Boom. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Open the door.
You can see it.
That looks cool. Okay. What? See you back in about 3-4 hours, right?
Yeah, 4 hours. See you guys. Alright, I don't have my apron on right now, but it's been 4 hours since we put the trout in the dehydrator, and let's check it out. Oh my, look at that.
That looks good.
That does look good.
Let's see. I'm going to zoom on that.
Just falls right off the skin.
Mm-hmm. How's it taste?
It's so sweet. It's like candy.
Nice.
It's amazing. Yeah, give this one a try, guys. Really good recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait for our next adventure.